Oi, this is Catholic Camper here. Check it out, doing another quick review. This will probably be about 50 seconds, and real quick, do this right here on my 2019 Chevy Colorado. Bet you haven't seen one of those before, or maybe you have. Check it out. That's called the BullRing. Let me explain why. So in your 2019 Chevy Colorado, you have these large gamuts, okay? If you remove a gamut, you'll then see, let me see if I can get it right here. You'll see a smaller gamut, which that's where a tie-down ring is supposed to go, but what GM doesn't do is doesn't install those. You have to purchase those. Now what I did is, or in fact, actually, let me go ahead and just make this correction. So what Chevrolet does is they provide these bottom rings, toe strap rings, or I'm sorry, strap rings. And there's only 4 of those. You see one over there, one right there, and of course one right here. So what you do here is you actually purchase their GM parts. But those can be a little costly. So what I did is I went ahead and I looked online, and I came up with these guys. And okay, so what I have right here are something cool from BullRing. These BullRings were purchased aftermarket, and you can see here that I had bought 2. These are pretty cheap, 2 for $25. A lot better than what I would have paid for the GM stock BullRings. BullRing was really cool. I had thought I bought 2 sets, and in fact I bought this little gizmo that goes right there, and I'm going to do one over there as well. So check this out. You will notice I'm doing a voiceover because the video was not working properly, but here I installed a BullRing, and yes, there it is. I'm clicking it up and pulling it out, and that's exactly how it's supposed to work. As I was saying earlier, BullRing was give BullRing a call because I thought I had 2 sets. I only had 1 set, and I thought I purchased 4 total. So in all this, and what I have learned, that BullRing is the way to go, and they sent me actually 2 free rings. So thank you, BullRing. I really appreciate it. Peace.